Good morning, students. So today I am going to explain maths assignment number 5 for 10th class. Topic is sets. Okay, I am going to explain the first question. First question is, if P is equals to set of 1, 2, 3, find the number of subsets of P. But how to find out the number of subsets of P means, now solution. What is the given set? P is equals to set of 1, 2, 3. So now number of elements in the set P is equals to number of elements are 3 means, but this can be written as in the cardinal number n of A is equals to 3. So now I want number of subsets of P is 2 power of n formula. So that equals to 2 power of 3 is equals to 8. Means number of subsets in the given set P is 8 elements. So then I'll go for the second question, students. If n of A union B is equals to 50 and n of A is equals to 20, n of B is equals to 45, I need to find out n of A intersection B. So now these all those four related one formula, here n of A union B is equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Now substitute the given values. N of A union B is nothing but 50 equals to n of A is 20 plus n of B is 44 minus n of A intersection B. So that implies 50 equals to, but here how much? Here 44 plus 20 is nothing but 64 minus n of A intersection B. So then I need to find out n of A intersection B is equals to 64, means 50 send that side, and minus n of A intersection B is transposing this LHS, then you will get minus 50. So final result is n of A intersection B is equals to 14. So this is the second question. Then I'll go for the third question. Third question is, question number 3 is, represent A minus B union B minus A using Venn diagram. So this is the question. So I am going to explain the solution. Given here A minus B union B minus A. So now I consider that universal set mu, and now here 2 A comma B are two sets are belong here. So that's why now I am considering here one of the set is A and another set is B. So this is set A and this is set B. So first I need to plotting that shaded part A minus B. A minus B is nothing but the elements are containing only A. The elements are containing only A means that is nothing but, this is nothing but A minus B. So similarly B minus A means the elements only containing B. Only B means you are plotting this is B minus A. So finally now here A minus B union B minus A, the shaded part is like in this horizontal. So finally in this final conclusion is A minus B union B minus A is equals to A delta B. So this is the representation using the Venn diagrams. So then I'll go for the fourth question, students. Fourth question is, if V is equals to set of A, E, I, O, U and B is equals to set of A, I, K, U, find V minus B and B minus V. So now I am going to the solution. Now here the given V is equals to set of A, E, I, O, U and B is equals to set of A, I, K, U. So now I want to find V minus B. V minus B is nothing but set of V is nothing but A, E, I, O, U minus and set of B is nothing but A, I, K, U. What are the common elements? I need to cancel here. Here A cancel and again I cancel and U cancel. But here remaining only but V minus B. V minus B is nothing but only in containing V. What are the elements? Only V. So means here set of here E comma O are left. E comma O are left. So similarly B minus B. B minus B means here set of B is equals to A, I, K, U minus and set of V is A, E, I, O, U. Now here what are the common elements? Means here A corresponding elements get cancelled and again here common element is one more I and again U get cancelled. So that equals to B minus B is nothing but only the element is K. So this is the fourth question, students. So then I am going for fifth question. Fifth question is if A is equals to set of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and B is equals to set of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and C is equals to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and set of D is equals to 5, 10, 15, 20. So need to find first one is A minus B, next A minus C, A minus D and B minus D need to find. B minus D need to find. So first I'm going to the solution. Now here A, B, C, D are three sets are given. Now I need to find out A minus B. A minus B is equals to, what is set of A? Set of A is nothing but 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus of B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So now what are the common elements? Common elements are here. There is no common elements here. 4 is not there, 8 is not there and 12 is there. 12 is there. 12 element is there. But these are the common. Then next what is A minus B means here 3, 6, 9, 15, 21. So this is nothing but A minus B and similarly next I need to find out A minus C. A minus C means what is A? A is nothing but again here 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus of, and again what is C? C is nothing but 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So now need to cancel what are the common elements. I need only for only containing A elements I need. So now here what are the common elements? So now here 3 is not there and 6 is there. So 6 get cancelled. Next here 9 is not there. 12 is there. Cancel the 12 and again 15 is not there and 18, 21 is not there. So that's why, but here only containing A is remaining elements are 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. So this is nothing but A minus C, students. Then I'll go for next A minus D. A minus D. What is A minus D? So here A minus D. So what is set of A? Set of A is nothing but 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 minus, and what is D? D is nothing but 5, 10, 15, 20. So then that equals to, now here what are the common elements? Common elements means here 5 element is not there, common not there, and again 10 elements is check not there, 15 element is there means both will get cancelled. So then 20 is not there, then remaining rest of the elements of A is 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. So this is nothing but A minus D. So next in the final one is B minus D. B minus D means what is set of B? Set of B is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 minus of, what is D? D is nothing but 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. So now here what are the common elements means here 5 element is not there and again 10 is not there common, 15 is not there, here 20 element is common. So cancel them. Remaining rest of the elements in B is 4, 8, 12, 16. So this is nothing but B minus D, students. So this is about 5th question. So next I am going for okay, the questions are completed. So these are the 5 questions in that assignment 5. Thank you all.